to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and here a while back I got to thinking, you know, I'm making all these really cool logo signs for all these other channels and businesses and whatnot, and I don't have a cool logo sign. So today that's what we're going to make. So I'm going to try to whip out a logo sign that I tasked my daughter with designing, and she came up with a logo, so that's what we're going to cut today. So let's go. So guys, that was it. I thought it came out pretty cool. It's still wet. I didn't polyurethane the edges on purpose so I could hold it. I thought it was a real neat look. This design is one my daughter actually came up with. I tasked her with it a few weeks ago. In college, she's majoring in mass media, which that kind of encompasses social networking, marketing, advertising, and designing logos, photography, just a whole mess of things that she does. And so she designed this, and I thought it looked really cool. I think it'll be a good design for a ball cap or a left chest logo on a shirt. And that's what I was after, that, and I want something to stamp on the back of the stuff I make. So, yeah, I made it of pine, but I did that because I didn't know how oak would take the burning. And I didn't want to screw up a nice piece of oak whenever I can screw up a piece of pine, and I really hadn't lost much money over it. My initial plan was to make it quite a bit bigger, but I made it small simply because of what I was going to do to it, and I didn't know how it was going to turn out. And not to mention, now that I've made it small, boy, I don't know if I can handle it big. Those trees took forever. I mean, wow. But it still, like I said, it came out real neat. I'm pleased with it. And I'm not going to change anything about it. I like the way it really came out on that. So guys, that's it for today. If you hadn't done so yet, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.